All right, let's get right into this grilled cheese sandwich. You know, there's millions of ways that people cook grilled cheese sandwich. I have a few on my channel. How I've done it, I've done the inside out grilled cheese sandwich, specialty cheeses. But this style would be five-star Michelin chef, the way they would, or he would, or she would, make a grilled cheese sandwich. And I gotta tell you, you gotta stick around to the end because that little trick at the end made a world of difference in your grilled cheese sandwich. It really works. So what I have out here is 4 thick slices of sourdough bread. You can use white, you can use whatever bread you like. I like sourdough, so that's what I'm using. I've got some softened butter, and I'm just gonna spread the butter on one side of each slice of bread. Now once I get these all coated with the butter, I'm gonna get out my non-stick made in ceramic pan, and I'm gonna turn the heat onto medium, and I'm just gonna put one slice butter side down and let that go for a few minutes. While that's going on, we're gonna use 1 slice of Gouda, 1 slice of Havarti, and 1 slice of American cheese. The way the Michelin chef says to stack it is Gouda, American in the middle, Havarti on top. He says the American will melt faster, so you want to shield it between the other 2 slices. Anyways, we're going to put that right on top, and then we're going to put another slice butter side up, just like that. Pretty much traditional. Now, here's the secret. We're only going to go until we get toasty on the bottom. Just like that. That's as far as we're going to go. Then we're going to flip it over, and as you can see, the cheese really hasn't started to melt yet. Okay? So, once we get toasty on the other side, we pop it in the oven. Just like that. 350 degrees for about 3 or 4 minutes. And that is the Michelin chef secret. What it does is it helps keep bread toasty, but it gets all that cheese in the middle super melted and super ooey gooey, the way we like it. I'm telling you, he's on to something with this style. I mean, watch this. We'll cut it in half, and then we'll give it a little, I should have used a serrated knife, but whatever. And we'll spread this open and just wait to see how this cheese just melts. Look at that. That's perfect. That's what we want every time. Use this secret, use this trick, make your grilled cheese a little step above everybody else's. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. And remember, like, share, subscribe.